Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am showing how to create an account in Google Play Store and download the applications. Basically it's like signing into your email account. If you don't have an account, you can create one inside the Play Store itself, but I have an email account. And just put your email address and password and click on next. Go down and yes, click on yes, I'm in, and agree with the policies. So it will check for the info, and you can either choose backup to Google Drive or not, but I will go with the Google Drive option and press next and finish. That's all. Now you are inside the Play Store. Now you can start installing the application. For example, I'm gonna install WhatsApp on my Android. Click on WhatsApp, search for WhatsApp and install. Press continue. Again press continue, and let us skip the options. So it will download the Play Store from the it will download the WhatsApp from the Play Store server, and it will install it on my mobile. So this video is, I know it's very simple, but it's actually I made it for a tutorial purpose, and this is first video of that tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Goodbye.